In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from TikTok to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect on each screen, so you can move your TikTok earnings straight into your e-wallet with confidence. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your internet connection is stable, since you'll be accessing your earnings and confirming a payout. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your account page where you can access all your creator tools and financial settings. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the three lines to open the main menu. This menu leads to your settings and the area where TikTok tracks your balances. In the menu, tap Balance. This is where you'll see an overview of your funds on TikTok. Think of it as your dashboard for coins, gifts, and earnings. If you don't see the amount you expect yet, don't worry. Some totals update after a short delay depending on activity and review periods. Now, tap Estimated Balance. This section gives you a clearer view of what's available based on your recent activity. It's useful for checking whether you meet any minimum amount required for withdrawal. Then, go to Live Rewards. Inside this section, you'll find the option to withdraw. Tap Withdraw to begin the process. If the button is grayed out, GCash, it usually means the balance isn't eligible yet or hasn't met the minimum required by TikTok. When the withdrawal options appear, choose e-wallet, then select GCash. TikTok will guide you through on-screen prompts. Follow them carefully. You may be asked to confirm your GCash details and the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check that the account information is correct before continuing. If TikTok requests additional confirmation or verification, complete those steps within the app to avoid delays. Before you finalize, review any notes about fees, minimum amounts, and estimated processing times. These can vary, and seeing them up front helps you plan. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal and wait for the success message. Keep an eye on your GCash app for the incoming funds. Notifications can help you track the deposit when it lands. That's the full process. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines, select Balance, check. Estimated Balance, open Live Rewards, tap Withdraw, choose GCash under e-wallet, and follow the prompts on your screen. Take your time with each step and you'll be cashing out smoothly.